Okay, we are live now. What happened? A technical. So in the technical issue, we stopped the live at 9 minutes only. So this is the continuation of a morning session. So we are discussing about human digestive system. For our convenience, we divided this topic into two parts. For our convenience, we divided this topic into two parts. Join the session. This is online YouTube second video, second live session we are running now. Share the video to the friends. Anybody are there? Join the sessions. Okay. So for our convenience, we divided this topic into two parts. One is elementary canal. One is elementary canal. Second one, associated glands. Associated glands. Coming to first part, elementary canal. Elementary canal starts with mouth and ends with anus. So please observe my voice and video clarity. Give thumb impression. If you are online, anybody, give thumb. If you are able to listen my voice and video clarity, audio clarity, give me a thumb. So come on, join my live session on human digestive system. Wait for 2 seconds. I'm sharing the video. One second. Okay. So the human digestive system divided into two parts for our convenience. First one, elementary canal. Elementary canal starts with the mouth and ends with the anus. The parts present in the elementary canal. The parts present in the elementary canal. So the first part in the elementary canal is mouth. Second one, buccal cavity. Third one, pharynx. Pharynx. Four, esophagus. Esophagus. Fifth one, stomach. stomach. Sixth one, small intestine. Sixth one, small intestine. Seven, large intestine. Eighth, rectum. Eighth one, colon. Tenth one, anus. So there are 10 parts are there. 10 parts are present in the human digestive system. Alimentary canal consists of these 10 parts from the mouth to the anus. Now we observe in the diagram. See, this is the buccal cavity. So anteriorly, teeth are present, okay, and mouth is the starting point. Mouth is protected by anteriorly foremost parted lips are present, lips. After lip, a small space gap vestibule, and then there is a buccal cavity. So buccal cavity here, this space is known as buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Okay, in the buccal cavity, there is a tongue. This is called tongue. The roof of the buccal cavity, the roof of the buccal cavity, it is known as a palate. Palate. The roof of the buccal cavity is known as palate. This palate is of two parts are there in the palate. One anterior, most hardest hard palate, and posteriorly it is soft nature, and lastly it gives a hanging like structure of a muzzle. This is known as uvula. Uvula is the hanging part from the posterior soft palate. So this is now soft palate, and now this is known as hard palate. Hard palate. Then after the buccal cavity, next important part is pharynx. Pharynx. Pharynx is of three parts: nasopharynx, nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Laryngopharynx. So, pharynx is of three parts are there in the pharynx area. They are nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. And coming to the down, there is a epiglottis here, and then there is a glottis, the opening of the trachea. Okay, the opening, this is trachea. We'll discuss in the second topic, respiration. We'll discuss about the trachea. Our topic is pharynx, then a tube. This is known as esophagus. It's known as esophagus. Then this esophagus opens into a J-shaped muscular organ. J-shaped muscular organ. J shape also important. This is known as stomach. We are discussing about the alimentary canal, the first part in the human digestive system. In that, we are discussing the parts present in the alimentary canal. It starts with the mouth and ends with the anus. The first part is the mouth, then buccal cavity, also known as oral cavity. In the buccal cavity, the roof is known as palate. That palate is of two types. The anterior part, the starting part of the buccal cavity roof is known as a hard palate, and we are going backside to the pharynx area. It is very much soft in nature, and lastly, it hangs into the pharynx area. That a hanging body is known as a uvula. So uvula is attached to the soft palate, and coming to the hard palate here, coming to the hard palate area here, in this area, some rugae, the up and down ridges are there. Ridges. These ridges are known as palatine rugae. They are known as palatine rugae. Palatine rugae. So here, J-shaped stomach. After the stomach, this is known as small intestine. In the small intestine, three parts are there. First part is known as duodenum. Duodenum. Second part is known as jejunum. Jejunum. Jejunum, second part. And last important part is known as ileum. Ileum. After ileum, there is a coiled cecum. Cecum. This is cecum. The end part of the cecum is with a organ that is called vestigial organ is present. This is known as appendix. So here, after the ileum, it opens into a large intestine. Opens into large intestine, and this large intestine and at last it opens into a S-shaped structure, like a sigmoid rectum is present, and then there is a anus. So these are the parts present in the human alimentary canal: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, then esophagus, stomach, small intestine, the three parts: duodenum, jejunum, ileum is the last part, and then large intestine, the appendix, colon, rectum. This is the colon. Colon. This is rectum. And last part, this is anus. So these are the parts present in the human digestive system. Now we enter into the important, the each and every part structure we have to discuss now. The first part is mouth. The first is mouth. Mouth is guarded by lips. Two lips are present, and mouth leads into buccal cavity. Mouth leads into buccal cavity. In the buccal cavity, you see this is the buccal cavity, opened buccal cavity. This is upper jaw. This is lower jaw. Okay, here half of the upper jaw and half of the lower jaw, they have teeth are present, incisors, canines, premolars. So here also same, incisors, canine, premolar, and three molars. So now coming to the in the buccal cavity, first teeth are present. Teeth in our body, 32 teeth are present, and teeth are ectomesodermal in origin. Ectomesodermal in origin. In the embryonic ectodermal part and mesodermal part collectively forms the teeth, and the ectodermal part is here enamel, and mesodermal part is a dentine. Enamel enamel is created by amyloblast cells, whereas the dentine created by odontoblast cells. Odontoblast cells. So one is ectodermal, and second one is mesodermal. So the origin of teeth is called ectomesodermal in origin. Enamel gives the outermost white covering to the teeth. Teeth has three parts: crown, neck, and root. The crown is coated with a white color material that is called enamel, and that enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. And the tooth is made up of a hardest material that is known as a dentine. Dentine is a mesodermal in origin. So what we discussed already here. And coming to the dental formula is equal to 2123 by 2123. 2123 by 2123. First two belongs to incisors. Second one belongs to canines. Next premolars and molars. So incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. So here first and the second one incisors, one canine, one and two are premolars, one, two, three are known as molars. So here also same 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 means 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. Total teeth. Total teeth are 8 into 2 by 8 into 2. That is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 8. Only half. Dental formula equation is half of the upper jaw teeth by half of the lower jaw teeth. So half of the upper jaw teeth on the upper side and half of the lower jaw teeth in the lower side, and then we will get the half side teeth are 8 are there. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 in the half side means 8 also in the second side. So here also 8 in the one side, 8 in the one side, here also 8 in the other side. So total teeth are 16 up and 16 down. Totally 32 are there. In the 32 they come two times in our lifetime. One is called milk teeth, and second one is known as permanent teeth. Permanent. So milk teeth are 20 in number, and 32 is the permanent teeth number. So this is about the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is with teeth, tongue, okay, and teeth are 32 in number, and teeth is came from the ectomesodermal in origin, and dental formula is a 2123 by 2123. In that 20 are milk teeth are present. So here milk teeth and permanent two types of teeth are present. So our dentition is known as diphyodont. Diphyodont type of dentition. Okay, and the teeth are present inside the jaw bone socket. So they are very much deep inside the bone socket. So this type of dentition is known as thecodont dentition. And here incisors, canines, premolars, molar, different types are there. So all these different types of teeth, different types of teeth are known as they are heterodont. Different types of teeth are present, so-called heterodont. In fish or amphibia, all teeth are similar, looks alike, so-called homodont. But in our body, teeth are different shapes and functions also. That is why this type of dentition is known as heterodont. And very strongest deep inside to the jaw socket, bone socket, so-called thecodont. And we will get it two times in our lifetime, so-called diphyodont. In some of the fishes and shark fish, in the lifetime, several times, the teeth will remove and come number of times. That is known as a polyphyodont. But in our body, will come. That is known as a diphyodont type of teeth. Once we will see the structure of teeth. See here, in the teeth, there are three most important parts are there from the outside to inside. From the outside to inside, three parts are there. One, crown. Second one, neck. And third one is root. So in the neck region, if you see enamel, so outermost covering with the white colored ectodermal hardest substance in our body, that is enamel, is present outside, white color. And then just below, the total tooth is made up of a dented, the hardest material in the teeth. And in the middle, the hollow, the empty space is there. This is called pulp cavity. Into the pulp cavity, a red colored artery, a blue colored vein, and a yellow colored here the nerves. That's called nerve. Also enters into the teeth, and jawbone socket is there. In the root, blood vessels, nerve, jawbone, and periodontal membrane as well. So surrounding the dentine, there is a periodontal membrane. Okay, so this is the LS, longitudinal section of tooth. Tooth has three parts: crown, neck, and root. In the crown, outermost visible part is called crown. Crown is covered with a white colored enamel, and the tooth made up of this pulp cavity. In that, all are present. So this is the structure of longitudinal section of tooth. Coming to our topic here. So we are discussing about the alimentary canal in the human beings, the digestive system. The first part is the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starts with the mouth and ends with the anus. After mouth, there is buccal cavity. After buccal cavity, in the buccal cavity, teeth are present. And after teeth, there is a tongue, sense organ, tongue. So like, share and subscribe my channel, Zoology Online Guru. We have our own app, Kumar Institute of Zoology in Hyderabad. So download the app, and there also we have a number of videos are there, high quality HD quality videos. And there are so many videos are there are you go through that one. And in the YouTube channel, we also have a what's called Telegram channel. So Telegram channel name also Kumar Institute of Zoology. In the Telegram channel, you will get the PDFs. So in the app, a PDF download is not possible. So in the Telegram channel, so many PDFs are available. Okay, download those PDFs and work hard and prepare for your zoology. Otherwise, any recruitment, TGPSC, APPSC, PGD zoology, or Gurukul PG Zoology, Model School PG Zoology, KVS, NVS Biology. So these videos are most important to get a government job or to get a seat in the any university, not only in Telangana, throughout India. You can write any examination related to the zoology. So in-depth videos are available in Zoology Online Guru YouTube channel, Kumar Institute of Zoology Telegram channel, and we have a our own app also present, Kumar Institute of Zoology, our own app. In that app, you can download the app and you can go through the course. Otherwise, the free videos also available there. Okay, like, share, and subscribe my channel. So this is the online session we started today. So the first YouTube, the first session by technical issue, it was stopped at 9 minutes only, and this is the second video live session topic human digestive system. And subscribe my channel, and there is a bell icon is there. You can click the bell icon for all videos, and then whatever the I am giving sending the notifications there, those notifications reach you, and then you may come to the my online session. Okay, follow my online session and see the quality of my video quality, audio quality, and in-depth nature and content, and comment me, encourage your students, your friends, and other need people. They share this video link, okay, and subscribe my channel. So come to our second, another part present in the buccal cavity is tongue. Tongue is a sense organ. Sense organ is senses smell. Sorry, it senses taste. Taste. So if you see the tongue here, posteriorly, the taste buds, the papillae are very large in size, and coming to down, the very smallest so on the tongue, there are four different types of papillae are present. First one, filiform, filiform papillae. Second one, fungiform, fungiform papillae. And third one, foliate. And lastly, fourth one, circumvallate. Circumvallate papillae. So in the tip of at the tip of the tongue, the first one, filiform, and just above the filiform there is a second fungiform. The sides of the tongue there are foliate, or in the middle also foliate. Third one, and posteriorly at the back of the tongue there is a and circumvallate papillae. So these are the four different types of papillae are present, and all these papillae, they are sense organs. They can sense the taste of the food, the taste of the food. And coming to the taste here, the tip gives the sweet or salt nature. This also sweet and salt of the means filiform and fungiform. These two papillae, they recognize sweet or salt, and foliate papillae sour taste, lemon, and whatever the sour taste is present, that sour taste by the foliate papillae. And lastly, fourth one gives the bitter taste, bitter. So bitter taste by the circumvallate papillae. So this is about the second organ, muscular organ. Tongue is a muscular voluntary organ. Tongue is a muscular voluntary organ. Muscular voluntary organ. Okay. And next, after tongue, we enter into pharynx. Pharynx area. So this is pharynx. See, this is a buccal cavity. We discussed it just now. This is uvula. And in the pharynx area, see here, this area known as pharynx. Pharynx. The pharynx, which is attached to nasal chamber. This is the nasal chamber. Posteriorly, this part is known as nasopharynx. This part is known as nasopharynx. And exactly opposite to the buccal cavity, here this part is called oropharynx. So oral cavity, oropharynx. And this is glottis, this is trachea, okay, and there is a larynx area, is there larynx, okay, and the area here, the pharynx area, this is called laryngopharynx. Laryngopharynx. So pharynx is of three types: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. And pharynx is the junction. It allows air and food and water. Air into the glottis and food and water into the esophagus. So pharynx is most important area where two types of different materials are. One is gas and second one is the solids. So gases and solids both are cross at pharynx area, and there are uvula, epiglottis, and glottis are present. And posteriorly there is a nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx are present. Okay. Into the nasopharynx in this area, from the nasopharynx area, here from the middle ear, a canal will enters into the nasopharynx area. This is known as eustachian tube. Eustachian tube. Okay, eustachian tube enters into the nasopharynx area. And coming to the tonsils, lymph nodes present in the pharynx area. There are adenoids. Adenoids is one type, and some are present below the tongue, sublingual. And some are present at the top of the palate area. So some are palatine. So adenoids are in the below area, they are present, so they are called here pharynx area. So one is the lymphatic adenoids and lingual adenoids, and third one is the palatine adenoids. So one pair is present. So tonsils also, that's called adenoids. Tonsils also, that's called okay. So lymph nodes also present in the pharynx area. That there are three pairs are there, and there is a eustachian tube, most important, from the middle ear. The canal enters into the nasopharynx area. Okay, this is the pharynx, nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. After pharynx, next part, a long tube is present. This tube is known as esophagus. Esophagus. And where the pharynx opens into the esophagus, there is a wall. There is a valve is present. Valve. There is a valve. Valve is present. A valve is present. This is called upper esophageal valve. Esophageal valve, where the pharynx opens into the esophagus, then there is a upper esophageal valve is present. And after this esophagus, there is a J-shaped a muscular organ is there. And whenever the esophagus opens into the stomach, there also a valve is present. There is also a valve. There is also a valve is present. A valve is present. This valve is known as cardiac valve. Otherwise, cardioesophageal valve. Cardioesophageal valve. So here, cardioesophageal valve. So these are this one. The starting one is the upper esophageal sphincter or valve, and here or valve, and this is the stomach. Stomach also is with three parts are present here. Stomach, three parts are there. First part, middle portion, and back side, third portion. The first part is known as cardiac stomach, near to the heart, so-called cardiac stomach. Second one, the large portion where the reactions, digestion takes place, that is called fundic or fundic stomach. And last one, third one is called pyloric stomach. And this stomach opens into the small intestine. Small intestine, and here also a valve is present. Here means stomach opens into a small intestine, duodenum. There is a valve. There is a valve. This valve is known as pyloric sphincter. So valves are important. Not only this topic, in the liver, hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum. There is a valve is present. Yesterday, on the 7th August, Msc Zoology entrance conducted by OSMANIA University in Hyderabad, Telangana. In that examination, one question asked, that is, name the sphincter that guarded when the bile juice or pancreatic juice opens into the duodenum. So this is the question to you, and you can answer this question. Name the valve or sphincter at the hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum. This question asked yesterday in the MSc entrance. So this is the question to you. You can search and comment me in the chat box. Okay. Next, coming to our topic. So stomach is three parts are there: cardiac stomach, fundic stomach, and pyloric stomach. And pyloric stomach opens into the small intestine. Small intestine is the largest part in our body. In the elementary canal, U-shaped, the starting point is called duodenum, and middle long portion is called jejunum, and where the last part where The food is completely digested, ileum. So ileum is the part where the digestion is complete. After ileum, there is last part that is called large intestine. So here, after next topic is the last part, the large intestine. Large intestine bulges outside. Bulges are present. Bulges. Okay, and these bulges are known as hastoria. The bulges name is called hastoria. First point, hastoria. And here three longitudinal muscles are present in the hastoria or in the large intestine. In the hastoria, three smooth muscle folds. So three smooth muscle fold are present. Those are known as tinea coli. Tinea coli or coli. Look here, hastoria out bulgings, out pushings are present in the throughout the large intestine. The out pushings are present. They are called hastoria, and throughout the large intestine, they are longitudinal. Three smooth muscle folds are present. They are called tinea coli. Okay, and whenever there is a opening of ileum, there is a opening of ileum or in the cecum. See here, cecum here. So there is also a valve or sphincter guarding here. So whatever the fecal material is present and it to stop the fecal matter enters into the back into the ileum. So there is a valve, ileocecal valve. Ileocecal valve is present. Ileocecal valve. So this is the last part, ileum. This is the large intestine. Out pushings or out folds are present. These out folds are called hastoria, and the three smooth muscle folds also present. And here, this colon, the large intestine is with the colon. The first part is colon, and this colon, if you see, it is in three different here. See, one is going up, so called ascending colon. It's transverse, so horizontal. This is called transverse colon, and coming down, so descending colon. After there is a sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon also present. Okay, and after sigmoid colon, there is a anus opens outside. At the place of anus here, suppose this is the hole. So there are two pairs of sphincters. Two pairs of sphincters are present inside the body. This is called internal anal sphincter. Internal anal sphincter, and the outside there are external anal sphincter. Whereas here internal anal sphincter is involuntary in function, involuntary. So here This is involuntary sphincter. It's called smooth muscle sphincter. And external anal sphincter, it is a voluntary. It is a voluntary sphincter. And some of the symbiotic bacteria also present. Symbiotic bacteria also present in the large intestine in the fecal matter. So this is about the large intestine, last part, colon, ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. Okay, so we are in the human digestive system. From today onwards, we will discuss all topics. Maximum in the live sessions I will come, and we recorded videos also I will upload in the due course. If there is no time to me to take this online classes or live classes, I will definitely upload the continuation of this topic. Okay, so follow my channel, Zoology Online Guru, and also we have app Kumar Institute of Zoology. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your comment is most important to me because to change my method of teaching method. So your comment is most important. Encourage your comment, encourage me definitely. So comment me and share this video to number of other persons they who want zoology. And this is definitely useful for TGPSC zoology recruitment of PGT and APPSC, Gurukul teachers, PGT teachers, and model school PGT zoology teachers, NVS, KVS, PGT biology. Also, these videos are most useful to you. And NEET for NEET purpose, MSET purpose, and intermediate students who are writing the IP examinations. So this is very much a depth, but if you go through these videos, it's very useful to them to write the examinations. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share to number of persons. Okay, and continuation of video we will upload in the tomorrow. I will notify the time about the associated glands are present. So most important, both are important. And a task given to you, homework, that is name the wall which is present the opening of hepato pancreatic duct into the duodenum. It's most important question because yesterday in the MSc Zoology entrance in the Telangana state conducted by OSMANIA University, they asked this question. So comment that answer. Okay, we are stopping here. Bye bye. Good night.